Hey there. So I know that many of us use place value to start the beginning of the year. And I'm going to show you a really simple way that we can add place value in here. I just went over to Google and I searched for a place value chart. And I found this one. I know for grades K through 3, you're not going to be working past the decimal, to the right of the decimal. So this place value chart is great for those of you who are working beyond the decimal point. For those of you who are not working beyond the decimal point, I also found another one that we can add in so you can show your students how easy it is to use these place value charts. And you can just snip them in there with the link, and then remember that you can annotate on top of these. Okay, so with this one I would probably create or use, I might even use a different one so that I can annotate on top of it. So I'm going to recycle this one because I don't like it quite so much. So I'm going to put a new one in there. Okay. Maybe. I always have a happy finger. Sometimes it doesn't like to click when I want it to click. So now we can annotate on top of this. Okay, so we'll grab that pen tool and I can write my numerals in here. And then my students can look at this easily and tell me in what place each of the digits are. And if I'm working on value, then it's easier for them to look at it and see the value and help understand that value. So just a real quick, easy way to look at using that web address or web page tool and then annotating on top of it. So I hope that helped you, give you some ideas on how to annotate using that web page tool. Okay, and if you have any questions, we are here to help you. Remember, you can move this. You have that infinite canvas. So if you need to add another question over here or other examples, you can easily do that. And you can add more of those web links so that you have more options for place value charts.